How I gained 228 subscribers over a week time within 3 days, and we're about to spill the gems on how your girl did it. If you are under 1K or trying to reach 1K, this video is for you because your girl did not gatekeep, and we're about to spill the gems on how we got to 1,000 and plus subscribers. So basically, the first thing that I did just to get to gain 228 subscribers within a week of time and within 3 days, I literally posted shorts. And when I say posted shorts, you guys, taking a snippet from the beginning to like 50 seconds of that video and taking it, put it into a short, put in big bold lettering on your video and uploading it with a related video. Keyword, related video, which is the video you just took the snippet of the long form out of, the short form out of. You get what I'm saying? You're going to take a snippet of that short, of the long form content, and you're going to make a short out of it. And you're going to also link that long form content at the bottom of that short. So when they are interested in that short, they're going to go straight to the long form content video. You get what I'm saying? So when you go in and put your tags, your description, your location, and you're putting all these keywords to make sure that YouTube ranks your video to the highest people to the highest viewers they can go to, they're going to click on that video because now they're interested in what they want to know, what you're saying. You get what I'm saying? That's why I say make sure you do the beginning of the video, at least a little bit into the video, so they can get an idea of what your video is about, because your hook tells them what your video is about. So keep that in mind, and always remember, shorts are very important. And then I also found out that you can also remix your long form content video into a short. So all you have to do right there, you guys, is go to your long form content video. Once you click on your long content video, you will see where it says share remix. You're going to hit remix. At the top of it, it will say edit into a short. Once you do that, it will edit your long content video into a short for you, instead of you having to go back to CapCut or VPN or Slice or whatever AppCut editing app you are using to edit that video to where you take it from the beginning to the at least a little bit into the middle of the video. So edit your thumbnail, make sure you got the description, your tags, and make sure you have maybe do a comment at the beginning of your on your post and pin it. All these keywords are key, you guys. You can use your description, your comments, and everything to make keywords to get that video pushed along with the description and tags. Another way I got my 228 subscribers was I used my community post. So many people kept telling me, use your community post, use your community post. So I started using my community post more. And honestly, y'all, the attraction that gets from the community post is amazing and it's mind-blowing. Like, I never knew that people actually look at your community post. Like, your community post is put there for people to see what's upcoming or what ideas they have, and basically it's like giving feedback. You're actually engaging with your customer. Well, if you are somebody buying, you are engaging with your customers, you're engaging with your viewers. You get what I'm saying? You're asking them what do they want to see next, or you're just posting something as inspiration or something like that. That is another key way to get your subscribers, and they are looking at your community post. Another one I did was I engaged in the comments. And the way I engaged in the comments was, you guys, I go to somebody that I'm interested in, basically that I'm watching, that I'm upcoming with, that somebody that's inspiring, somebody that's teaching me something, somebody that's giving me knowledge so I can come back and give you guys knowledge, period. So once I go and find that person that I'm interested in, I literally go to her comments. And this is key, you guys. Make sure the person that you are interested in, that you are on their recent post, like within minutes of them posting. That is the most tremendous key information I got from somebody, and it works. Make sure that that person had just posted their video. You go in and you watch it from beginning to the end. You give it a like and you comment below and you say something inspiring to the video, or something inspiring to the person that you are watching, or something to the people that's going to be in the comments. So what you would say will be, new YouTuber here, let's gather. Or let's gather upcoming new YouTuber. Small YouTuber here, let's gather. You get what I'm saying? Those little keywords makes people engage in your comment, and it drops them down to want to subscribe to you. I don't know what the gems and what the juice is about that. But baby, since I've been doing it, it has been working like dollars. Do you understand me? I go when the moment they post a video, I go on their video and I watch it to the beginning to the end. I like it and I comment. And I say, thank you for your video. It was very inspiring. You are a beautiful lady. I love you. Your energy was amazing. You dropped gems. New YouTuber here. Let's gather, y'all. And I promise you, you have about 20 to 30 to 500 likes and comments under your post from other people saying, sub to you. Let's grow. New YouTuber here also. let's combine. You get what I'm saying? They want to combine. They want to come in. They want to be a community. They want to be a family now. And just by you saying that, I don't know what it is, y'all, but it skyrockets. Post shorts, community, and engage it in the comments by saying new YouTuber here. Let's gather. Small YouTubers come together. Something in that form, and it works. Another one, you guys, I added file links to my videos. I just learned this, and I promise you, I don't know what it does, but from what I'm hearing, it ranks you higher into the YouTube algorithm, YouTube search, YouTube browser features, everything. It helps YouTube to understand what your video is about better than you not letting them know what the video is about, and your file name is being uploaded as ABCD12345. You get what I'm saying? You want your file name to be your title, or you want your file name to be somewhere along as your title, because you want to keep those keywords in so many places to where YouTube pushes that video out. So having your file name on your video is key, you guys. Another thing that I did was I added keywords to the description box. I added keywords to my description box. So what I'm saying is I took my file name, which is the title of my video. I took my title name, which is the title of the video. And I took that and I put them both in the description box. One title went to 3 places. You get what I'm saying? It's giving YouTube more to work with. So now I didn't put my title, my file name, and now I'm putting that same name at the beginning of the first sentence in my description box. Period, bookies. Another way to get subscribers is I put my keywords into the first sentence of my comment. So when I go pin my comment, I'm making sure that I have a keyword of whoever I'm trying to reach. I have that in the first sentence of my pinned comment on my YouTube video. That also is another way to help YouTube rank your video and get your video shown in the YouTube feed, YouTube recommendations, or the YouTube search. Y'all, we trying to get seen, bookies. We trying to get monetized. You hear you? Then we need these subscribers up to 1K if you ain't there yet. And that's the only way we're going to get monetized. You can't be below 1,000. You hear what I'm saying? You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that's what we're working on this year. This is only February. Baby, we racking it. You hear you? After I added keywords to my description box and added keywords into my comments, another way I can do is adding a playlist to my description box. That is giving YouTube another way of showing your videos to viewers that have never seen you before. When they come and click on that video, instead of them showing other people videos right after your video, that's helping YouTube rank your videos and giving them other suggestions to want to click on other videos that you made. You get what I'm saying? Not what nobody else made, bookies. Yeah, we getting gems, bookies. That's what I'm saying. Drop it in the comments and say clock it if and dropping gems, bookies. Period. So another one, y'all, is watching other YouTubers and following what they're doing. Whoever you're in niche with or whoever you're interested in, follow and go into their description box. See what keywords they're using in their description box. Take those keywords and put them in your video. Implement those keywords into your video, bookies. Because apparently whatever keywords they're using, that's what's getting them ranked high. So we need to take those same keywords and put them into our video. Because make sure that video is the same as what you're taking from their video. You get what I'm saying? So once you rank, baby, you're showing up as YouTube search. You hear what I'm saying? When they come and look that video or the title up, you being shown because you put some keywords in the right place. That is another way your video can be shown and you can get views and also subscribers. Clock T, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Another way that we did, y'all, when you are doing these videos, you have to make sure that you are giving value. You are solving something and you're teaching something. Those 3 things will push your video further than ever because YouTube is right now on informational videos. They're on value videos. So if you're giving information or you're giving value, the viewers are going to click on your video and they're going to want to know what you're doing. They're going to want to know how to do something. Talk about how to do something. Give them something they can gain something from. They want to gain 1,000 subscribers. They want to gain 4,000 watch hours. So if you can give them that, you in the door. Baby, if you can give them something from beginning to the end of the video to get them watching it all the way through, which is key, we in the door, y'all. I don't even know what else to say because our videos is going past 10K people. We being ranked high, almost in the category of Mr. Beast. I know I'm exaggerating, but that's how we have to think. You get what I'm saying? Think like that's how many people is watching us. Feel like we got millions on us and we baddies and we making this money and we coming up. You get what I'm saying? We're not stopping. Another thing that I did was I posted at least 5 times a week. I at least posted 5 times a week giving value and teaching something and inspiring something in my videos. I at least did that 5 times a week because I needed 2 days off, y'all. I work a 9 to 5 and I also got kids with a husband. You get what I'm saying? So with my mind, I need to rest. I can't be on here 24/7 because I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to go cuckoo. And we ain't trying to stress because look how good I am. You know what I'm saying? We ain't trying to stress over here. But we ain't got time for none of that. You hear what I'm saying? So to keep this beauty going, do your schedule that works for you. 5 days a week works for me because I work 5 days a week. So I try to do my videos on the days that I work. I get up early, I do the video, and I head out from the door. You get what I'm saying? I'm already dressed. I'm already energized. I'm already motivated by watching a podcast or something or watching another YouTuber video that just inspired me to want to do my video. So now I'm in here doing this video, and we're going to post it within 24 hours after we schedule it. You get what I'm saying? Those are keys, y'all. Another one is staying on topic in your videos. When your title says a certain thing, make sure when they click on that video, you're giving them exactly what that title says. Don't go off talking about how a bird sitting on your shoulder, or you got how you went and walked the dog or something like that. Sit down and give them exactly what they're looking for, exactly what that title says, and make sure you are planning and strategizing and you are writing down and jotting down everything that you're saying. So when you get on the video, it's just flowing. You guys, you get what I'm saying? It's giving them something. It's not just all over the place and we're trying to figure out exactly what you're trying to say. And that's another thing that will help you push your videos to get in front of more people and give you more subscribers. Because we're trying to get these 1,000 subscribers, y'all. And if I ain't dropping gems, I don't know what is. Period. The last and foremost thing, y'all, is checking to see when your subscribers is on, not subscribers or even your viewers, because that's what we're looking for, our viewers. We're looking for our community. We're looking for our tribe. So you're looking at your analytics on your YouTube Studio, which is the app, and you're going over to your content page to see when your viewers are on the app. You get what I'm saying? That is the best time to post. Like when your app says they're posting around 12 o'clock p.m. You need to be having a video before that time and scheduling that video for the next day for 24 hours so YouTube had enough time to analyze that video. They had enough time to see what them tags was talking about, what that title was about, what that video was talking about, to place in front of the people that it need to be placed in front of so we can get them clicks that we need to get them clicks so we can get them subscribers. You hear what I'm saying? So make sure you are staying on topic. Make sure that you are engaging in your comments. Make sure you are using your community post. Make sure you are staying on topic. Make sure you are posting at least 2 to 3, 5 times a day, if a week, not a day, a week if you can. If it's 1 time a week, just make sure you're giving value in those videos and you're having people engaged to wait on you for the next week coming. You get what I'm saying, y'all? Doing everything in this video will honestly, promise you, help you get subscribers, especially number 3. When you drop it on a person's video and say, new YouTubers gather here, it's something about that comment that skyrockets and get your subscribers faster than ever. That's honestly how I got my 228 subscribers within 3 days of a course of time. And that's honestly engaging in the comments and interacting and being lovable to people. With that being said, y'all, I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, and share.